my name is Zina and I'm aging ethically. Now normally I would have a green screen behind me, but today I have this lovely black background because I'm going to be working with green makeup. The company I am highlighting today is called Makeup a Murder. It is a crime investigation makeup line. So it's like true crime themed makeup. And it is just so interesting to me because I am a buff or a fanatic of true crime documentaries, television shows. I can binge watch those programs for days, and I have. This is an independent, vegan and cruelty-free, really cool cosmetic line owned by MUA Theresa. I'm going to link down below the Makeup a Murder Instagram and the website, of course, and MUA Theresa's Instagram as well. Her account is so exquisite because she creates these looks with her products, and it's just outstanding, and I just can't say enough about it. You have to go check it out for yourself. What I purchased was a fun set of neon pigments. They come in these little vials, and it has these little like rubber corks, and it has like a really super long cork, and you can see it's just like kind of saturated with the pigment, and it's a loose powder pigment, and has this cute little skull and crossbone poison label on it, and it says Makeup a Murder UV Neon Pigments. So there's the purple. Now these are $5 each. I bought the set of 7 for $25. There is the blue, like a really bright pink. I have a super bright neon orange. Oh my goodness. This one is also orange, but it's so hard to make out of this light, but it's a different kind of orange. Like this is like a neon, almost pumpkin orange. This one, it's like a coral neon. Really, really cool. And these are the two that I'm actually going to be playing with today. This is a neon green, and then this is the yellow, of course. So I'm going to be using these guys today, and I am super excited. I also purchased something called a evidence extraction kit. And what they are these little jars, and they are plastic though. But what it says is Makeup a Murder, do not tamper, police evidence. The entire line is crime investigation themed. So every single thing has some kind of like crime sort of verbiage on it. With the help of my investigative intuitions, I pretty much deduced that instead of taking the cork off and then dipping your brush into the pigments every time you want to use them, you can just tap a little bit into, and that's probably way too much. So you can see I put quite a bit in there. There you go. All right, really neat. I must mention that I have already swatched these pigments. I don't want to waste the pigments by swatching them again. I'm just here to tell you that they are highly, highly pigmented, and I'm going to show you a picture of my swatches, which, fun fact, MUA Theresa actually posted on the Makeup a Murder Instagram. Now, the makeup I'm going to be doing today is a look inspired by a Russian artist named Vadim. His Instagram is Vad Beauty, and I encourage you to check it out. He has a lot of fun playing with these neon pigments as well. Notice that MUA Theresa mentioned that you want to put it on like a tacky skin, so basically you want to put down a really tacky primer. I used the e.l.f. Jelly Pop primer first, and then I went over it with the Jeffree Star Magic Star Concealer in C0. Grab my little mirror, we're gonna dive right into this. Oh yeah. I think I'm going to, I'm gonna turn down the color a little bit, so the light a little bit so you can see more of this color. Oh, that's it, guys. Now I tapped way too much green pigment into that extraction kit little canister thing because a little goes a long way. Be careful because there is a little bit of fallout here. You want to do your eye look probably before your foundation. I'm just going above and below my eye, leaving space in the middle for the yellow until I'm satisfied, and then I'm going to blend out the edges. I think I've blended out pretty much to my satisfaction. Going to tap into the extraction jar with the yellow pigment. This is a very simple look. I just really wanted to dip into this before the Halloween frenzy begins. It's gonna go right in the center. Ooh, really good. I'm gonna try picking it up actually with my finger because that's like crazy pigmented. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, I highly suggest tapping with the finger. In my waterline, I'm going to be using Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in the shade Freak. Whenever I use this shade, I think of the show Wentworth and the Freak. If you talk about crime shows, oh my goodness, if you haven't watched Wentworth, I highly recommend that you do. If you like Orange is the New Black, you're going to love Wentworth. There's a character on the show that the prisoners, if you will, all female prison in Australia. The one character is nicknamed the Freak. So whenever I use this liner, I think of the Freak. And I say no more. Turn on Netflix if you have it and watch Wentworth. You're welcome. I'm really satisfied with the saturation. I'm pretty satisfied with my blending skills. I love how bright this is. I'm gonna go ahead and use the NYX Matte Liquid Liner. I'm going to pop off camera, do the other eye, and I'm going to put on some lashes. Once again, I'm going to be using my favorite lash, which is the Ardell 120. I don't want to go too dramatic with a lash because I really want to showcase this neon color. Okay guys, I'll be right back. I have returned to you, my darlings, with both eyes completed, and in the interest of saving time, I popped on a matte liquid lip. This one is from Elf. This is shade Vampy Violet. So it's not a black liquid lipstick, it's actually like a super deep purple. My final thoughts on the Makeup a Murder Poison Neon Pigments is that I love them so much. I'm so excited for this look. I'm so excited for Halloween. If I wasn't excited, I am just ecstatic now because I can't wait to play with all of these colors again, guys. I only used 2 of the 7, so there are so many colors to play with here. Check out the website for eyelashes, eyelash adhesive glue, eyeliner pens, glitter. She sells lip scrubs, palettes, all kinds of stuff. It's all crime investigation themed. So much fun. Beautiful products, highly pigmented, nicely priced, vegan and cruelty free, super fun theme. You guys, I am so thrilled with Makeup a Murder, and I will be purchasing from them again, and I hope you guys buy some stuff from her too. I have one final treat before I go. I'm so excited. Okay, I'll be right back. I don't know if you can see this. I have a little black light here that I dug out of my Halloween decoration boxes for you. The Poison Neon pigments are UV reflective. Oh my goodness! The Halloween season is going to be so much fun. I really don't know what kind of looks I'm going to put together. I've been thinking about it quite a bit and I have some ideas. I actually purchased something today, a little haul that I'm going to be showcasing pretty soon. As soon as it arrives, I'll show you guys what it is, and I will be utilizing those items for Halloween as well. Whew, you guys, this was a lot of fun. As usual, I don't want to wash this makeup off. Check out the links below. Go ahead and buy some really fun makeup and enjoy yourselves, guys. Enjoy every single moment in life. If you have the opportunity to buy really fun makeup, I highly recommend it. I don't care how old you are, just grab your little makeup brushes and start working. Life is way too short. Play with fun colors, do weird things, and let your freak flag fly. Thanks again, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. You guys, my Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter are all aging_ethically. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thank you so much. Bye.